Well, my half-brim might be one a little too low. You're too slow. What the fuck do you really think you know? I do so in every rhyme I spit is just so crucial. Like Metamucil, look, kill some rhymes that I'm used to. Your props are high and mighty, but I'm not mighty high. Dirty, smoke you out with weed and leave your mouth fucking dry. Cause some of them rapping, clapping, laughing, always beer tapping, fucking door can slap and be ridiculous on how I'm tripping this. All my thinking is the best MC that you can find. I shine like some moonlight through the pine, yo, and even if you rewind, I still stay dope up with my line.
Generally Irie, then roll with the style. You dirty smoking Cali green leaf till I die, B. Leave me alone when I'm chilling in my own. Yo, I'm smooth like a Schwinn and I shine like the chrome of its fender. Remember this microphone defender. Return your shit to sender, cause no one wants to hear it. Though your lyrics are weak, and yes, your spirit's meek. And you an ignorant motherfucker, yes, it shows when you speak. You freak a disappointment, your rhymes need some ointment. The crowd at your shows always laughing and pointing, leaving and booing. My point has been proven, and I'm still backstage just smoking and boozing, refusing to say the best for my choosing. I choosing the rest, so you're losing.
Well, don't forget about the down and dirty Southern Cali flow. Just open up the melody and let the rhythm go. I'm hoofing up the track just like a bouncing antelope, and soften up this gold just like a ripen cantaloupe. Because the West Coast knows how to kill it, yo, and y'all know when it's time to fill it, yo, and make it right. So we up all night, yo, until it's tight. All Bohemian Rhapsody, these syllables after me with lyrical chastity and verbally blasphemy. The endless we have to be with musical masterpiece. So come on and clap with me, so come on and clap with me.
So come on and clap with me.
Just come on and clap with me.
So come on and clap with me.
Yo, just come on and clap with me. Once upon a time in the neighborhood, there was a little dirty boy that was up to no good. He had a chip in his tooth and a mic in his hand. He had a dirty ass head from the beach in the sand. He said, I just got out the water and I'm late for school. I asked Daddy to skip and he said,
that's cool.
So we went to the liquor store, got ourselves some Magnum. Rolling down the street, yeah, you know we brown bagged them with the 50s on top and the 20s on bottom. Said we rolling through my hood, yeah, you know we got them. Sucker MCs wanna battle me, but that's okay. I tell them don't fuck around because we don't play. I sang rock out with my cock out, I got balls of steel. Hit me clanking down the street like a bag of beer. Said the dance off session, go on star right here. Dirty B grabbed the wheel